In this video, I'm going to go over the one-click opt-in. What you want to do is head over to campaigns, click on edit, or as you're making it, you have the option to do it there too. I'm just going to click on edit here on this health campaign. I'm going to go over to step 4, which is the very last step, or the quicker way is just click on get code. Now you're going to find some code to grab to put in your page. Now we do have some nice looking buttons here, and you can just download those, but for the sake of argument I'm just going to use the one that the system gave me, and it's just a subscribe button. So I'm going to grab this code, and then I'm going to open up my editor. I'm using Expression Web by Microsoft. It is free. You can look for it on Google and download it. And let's say I want to put my button right here. I'm just going to paste my code in there. And there's my subscribe button. I'm going to click on save. Now I'm going to jump down to my button here. You'll see I have a subscribe button on my page now. This can be placed on any WordPress page, any web page, does not matter. When the customer clicks on it, it's going to load up the form here, and they're going to fill it out. Click on get help, and they get the thank you message, and they can click on close. So how cool is that? Now, just like any other form that you create inside Leadsmith, when somebody hits that submit button, they are able to be redirected to another page as well. So if I had this set to redirect to a custom thank you page, when I click on get help now, it'll instantly forward me to the next page. And some helpful hints here on creating pages like this. Sometimes it's a good idea to put like a little graphic, especially if you're using like a one-column form. Right here I'm using a two-column. But in one-column form you can put a graphic at the top saying you're almost there, 50% done. And then you could put your no spam wording at the very bottom of the footer. We don't tolerate spam, da 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 da, and click on get help now. Whatever flows you have set up will automatically be sent to the user and to the business. It could be the notifications, autoresponders, and even if you have your email autoresponder like Aweber or MailChimp set up, it'll automatically subscribe them into those services as well. So making pretty forms, and they can appear on any website, 100% white label for your business. And just a quick follow-up here, I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys this. There's two options of how to change the image that's going to appear on your wherever you're going to place your button. You can either change it right here, or you can choose your file here, and we'll just call this one Claim 3. Click on Open, Save Image, and now it's going to automatically put that link inside the source. So if I come back over here, click on Copy, grab my editor, and hopefully I don't delete too much here. I'm going to grab this, paste it in there, click on Save, come back here to my form. Now I have this big claim this deal. Now keep in mind it doesn't automatically resize. If you want to do resizing of the image, you can do so inside of your editor. You don't need to do it inside the actual code that they give you inside Leadsmith. And I'll jump back down here, and you see my button. You'll see it's kind of big. You can edit the size of this inside of your editor, and usually what you can do is, here's the source for the image. Just come over here where it says style. If you don't have the style inside of the image tag, you can add it, but it should come with the code. And just add width and a colon, and let's say we want to have it 400 pixels. Click on save. Now I'll go back to my page, click on refresh, and now it's resized. And that's a little helpful hint and trick on how to make the button the size you want, and how to actually upload the button you want to use for your one-click opt-in.